Is size inherent in the meanings of plant and factory? I always had the impression that a plant was bigger than a factory and that a plant might contain several factories, but we wouldn't say that a factory contains several plants. According to OxfordDictionaries.com. Plant, a place where an industrial or manufacturing process takes place. The company has 30 plants in Mexico. Factory, a building or group of buildings where goods are manufactured or assembled chiefly by machine. Not very specific. Disregarding adjectives like small plant and large factory, just looking at the words plant and factory, is one bigger than the other to the average native English speaker?
Merriam-Webster says this. Plant, noun, 2a, the land, buildings, machinery, apparatus, and fixtures employed in carrying on a trade, or an industrial business, b, a factory or workshop for the manufacture of a particular product. Also, power plant, c, the total facilities available for production or service, d, the buildings and other physical equipment of an institution. Factory, noun, 2a, a building or set of buildings with facilities for manufacturing. There's no difference between them in my dialect. One word's shorter than the other's all that I can see. It's probably a matter of regional dialect and local, what they say at work, plant or factory, parlance. However, one wouldn't call a power plant a power factory.
Since factory is the older term, and deals with the assembly of things, and plant is a word that arose, in its modern usage, for chemical refineries and the like. You could consider a plant more complex compared than a factory, if for no other reason than the added complexity of the refinery, reaction process involved. In fact, consider that smelting facilities are generally called a plant despite also involving factory line types of post-process handling. Also, I'd ponder that plant arose from plantation, which is more complex, in operations, than a factory.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.